welcome! This is going to be a video that's definitely out of the ordinary. This is the Ronin SC from DJI. This is a camera gimbal set to make the quality of our videos a little bit better. So we just got the box in today, and the box is made of a very durable, high-quality styrofoam-like material. On the front we have a picture of the gimbal. We also have the same on the back of a different angle. On the bottom we have what comes in the box. I can read this out for you guys. That is the storage case, the lens support, the multi-camera control cable, the USB cable, the camera riser, the gimbal, an extended grip / tripod, an 8-pin port cover, a multi-camera control cable in a different type, a multi-camera control adapter, 2 Allen wrenches, M4 screws, camera screws 1/4 inch by 20, a quick release plate, a phone holder, and the BG18 grip. That is the battery. So quite a good bit comes in the box. And of course, we should get this open. So I will admit I have opened this. It is a set of flaps here that we just kind of push. This very nice carrying handle, I will say. It is wrapped in plastic. Let's get that off if possible. I'm going to need to cut that off. Don't tell the office lady I borrowed her scissors. This appears to be a very high quality rubber. Nice grip to it. I like that a lot. Let's wiggle this through this and slide this off. So with our cover off, we have a nice DJI and the Ronin SC symbol. Nothing else around the box. Some little feet back here. 2 very nice looking locks. Nice. Let's open this case up. So in the box we have a instruction booklet with some safety stuff in it. Got our cable. This is our USB to USB Type-C. So this is your standard USB. It's wide. It's got that little annoying plastic bar in there. Sometimes you gotta flip it around. And here we have our USB Type-C. Now I've heard that the reason they changed this is for some cords becoming much more efficient. And whether that's true or not, I don't know, but there you go. Also in the same port, we have a USB Type-C to older version of a USB. You guys can to an older version of a USB. We also have a USB Type-C to USB Type-C on a 90 angle. So you definitely don't have a shortage of cords in here. Next up is our adapter. So there's that USB Type-C port, a DJI on the side, and your older USB port. In this little baggie we have our Allen wrenches, some of the screws, and a big thumb screw. And from the far side of the case we have our phone holder. Nice DJI in the middle. I will say this feels a little loose. Nice little Ronin logo. But the mount on it looks very solid. So pleased with that. Next up we have our camera's extended grip / tripod. It's got 3 big feet with some rubber stoppers on them. Feels a little loose, but I'm sure under weight this holds very good. I imagine it's supposed to be deployed like that. feels a little loose on plastic or on glass counters. So this may be more of an extended grip. It's got a nice rubberized coating on it. Your standard screw up there. Standard screw up there. So nice. Up next in the box is our lens support. Lens support is just in the name. It supports the lens. If you have a bigger and heavier lens, sits right under it and pushes up and supports it. Handy little thing, but I doubt we'll be using it. Alrighty, next we have the quick release plate. This is a little hefty. Feels like it's made out of some form of metal, maybe aluminum. And got some guides. Got some guides there for adjusting the camera weight, the lens direction, and we got a series of numbers on either side. It's a little adjustment pin. Nice little DJI logo. Some rubberized panels. And again, got a nice little weight to it. Feels very high quality. Up next is our camera riser plate. This just sits, you mount your camera to this, mount some pins into here, or either one of these holes, and that just boosts your camera up a little bit. Again, got a little weight to it. 2 rubber bars. DJI logo. High quality. Very nice. Second to last, we have our battery handle / grip. Got our channel with our connector in it. Nice rubberized grip. Got some decent weight to it. Nice on-off switch. Ronin into the handle. Not too much here. Good grip, solid. Got some nice weight to it. Very nice. Last but not least is our gimbal, and this is very high quality feeling. You got a 3-point gimbal here. Very nice feeling. Got some locks here and there. And this is very nice feeling. Can't wait to put this together and get it out into the shop and get some test footage for y'all. So I'm gonna assemble this and I'll be right back. So that is the DJI Ronin SC. What do I think of it? I think of it that it's very nice. It's very handy for my shaky hands. A lot of people in the past have complained that some of the videos are shaky. That's because me, being a kid, I didn't like holding the camera straight. But now that I'm getting into it a lot more, I can appreciate the finer details, especially in editing, where I notice the small little shakes. So now that I have the DJI Ronin, I can finally eliminate the shakes. It is a very nice, high quality gimbal. It's got a great weight to it. I have no fear of it dropping the Canon, and I look forward to using it a whole bunch in the future, at shows, in the shop, and of course for small little vlogs that we may start doing in the future. Things I'd want to point out is that it uses standard charging, a USB Type-C, which is the oval-shaped port. Another thing to point out, I had to use an app. I logged into my iPhone real quick, downloaded the DJI Ronin app, and hooked it up to the gimbal, and within 4 minutes, maybe not even 4 minutes, I had the gimbal out and ready for that test that I showed. Another thing to point out, setting it up, after looking back at the recording, took me maybe 14 minutes at most. It's very easy and very straightforward to set up, and even straightforward to balance. On the Amazon page, which I'll post a link to in the description, I went through it and checked everything. On the video, followed it step by step, and got that gimbal set up and ready in under 5 minutes. So what are my thoughts on the DJI Ronin? Well, I like it a lot. It's very simple, very easy to set up, and it's just high quality. I'll leave a link to the Amazon description where I bought it, and a link to DJI's website in the description. And I urge you guys to go check it out, especially if you're into photography, or if you're looking to get a nice solid gimbal. That's it for this video, and I'll talk to you guys later.